Hi string artists, I'm Lawrence Ross, the artist and founder of String of the Art. At stringoftheart.com, we sell incredible adult arts and craft kits. Some of our most popular adult arts and craft kits are our string art kits, and in this video, I'll be teaching you how you'll be stringing up the X and O pattern for your string art kit. In order to complete the X pattern, you will be weaving the string from side to side of each upcoming nail. So let's begin. After tying the knot on the first nail, extend the string to the left side of the next nail. Then extend the string to the right side of the next nail. Then go left to right, until you reach the last nail. When you're ready to go back, retrace the nails you just worked on, but cross the string over to the opposite side of the nail. So if you just finished off on the left side of a nail, now you'll be going to that right side, and vice versa for all the nails. Make sure the string crosses over the previous string you worked on. One tricky thing to keep aware when completing your X pattern is when it changes directions. Whenever you approach a nail that is changing directions, just wrap the string around that nail and you can proceed. In order to complete the O pattern, begin by tying a knot on your first nail. Then extend the string to the right side of the second nail. Wrap the string 180 degrees and down to the first nail. Continue to wrap the string from the left side to the right side of the first nail 180 degrees. Extend the string past the second nail to the third nail and continue wrapping around the same motion on the right side of the nail 180 degrees. Extend the string down to the second nail, wrap it around, and then extend the string to the fourth nail, skipping the third. Continue this pattern of wrapping the string around, down one nail, up, skipping a nail, around and down one nail. When you reach your final nail, tie a knot and your O pattern is complete. When the nails are changing direction on you when completing the O pattern, wrap the string around the nail that is changing direction. It restarts the pattern.